If OBS Studio is lagging, it usually happens due to high CPU usage, wrong settings, or insufficient system resources. First, check your system performance. Close unnecessary applications and background processes to free up CPU and RAM. Go to OBS Studio Settings Arrow Video and lower your resolution. For smoother performance, try 1280 by 720 instead of 1080p. Reduce FPS to 30 if you are using 60 FPS and experiencing lag. Go to Settings Arrow Output and lower recording or streaming bitrate. Make sure you are using hardware encoding, like NVENC or AMD encoder, instead of software x264 if your GPU supports it. Run OBS Studio as administrator to improve performance stability. Update your graphics drivers because outdated drivers often cause lag and stuttering. Close browser tabs, games, or heavy software while recording or streaming. Go to Sources and remove unnecessary sources like extra overlays or capture layers. Check if your PC is overheating, as thermal throttling can cause lag. If you are using display capture, try switching to game capture for better performance. Restart OBS Studio after making changes. If lag still continues, reinstall OBS Studio to reset configuration. These steps will fix most OBS Studio lagging issues and improve performance on Windows.